We can find half of a number by dividing by 2, a third by dividing by 3, and a quarter by dividing by 4. And the same is true for all fractions. So to find a fifth, we can divide by 5. To find a sixth, we divide by 6. To find a seventh, we divide by 7, and so on. So here we have what is 1/3 of 24. So if we have a third of a shape, we know that we have 1 part out of 3. So let's divide 24 by sharing between these 3 parts. So we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So to find a third, we have divided 24 into 3 groups, and we have 8 in each group. So 1/3 of 24 is 8. And we can find a third by counting on a number line, grouping in 3s. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and now we've reached 24. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps. So we know that 1/3 of 24 is 8. Now we have what is 1/5 of 30. So if we have 1/5 of a shape, we know that we have 1 part out of 5. So now pause the video and see if you can find 1/5 of 30. So let's share out 30 between our 5 parts. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So to find a fifth of 30, we've divided 30 into 5 groups. And we have 6 in each group. So 1/5 of 30 is 6. So we've divided by sharing. We found a fraction of a number by sharing, but we could have used a number line and counted in steps of 5, so in steps of the denominator, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So now we've got to the number that we want to find our fraction of, and we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps. So we know that 1/5 of 30 is the same as 30 divided by 5, which is 6. So now pause the video and see if you can work out 1/8 of 24. So if we have 1/8 of a shape, we have 1 part out of 8. So let's share out 24 between our 8 parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have 16. And now we've shared out 24. So to find an eighth of 24, we divided 24 into 8 groups. And we have 3 in each group. So 1/8 of 24 is 3. And we could have counted up in steps of 8, so steps of the denominator of our fraction on a number line. So we can count 8, 16, 24, and now we've got the number that we want to find a fraction of, and we can see that we have 3 jumps. So we know that 1/8 of 24 is 3, because 24 divided by 8 is 3.